All right, imagine a smartphone that looks completely different from anything else on the market. It has futuristic lights on the back, powerful cameras, a smooth 144 Hz display, and it costs way less than most flagship phones. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today, we're talking about the brand new Nothing Phone 4a Pro. And honestly, this might be one of the most interesting mid-range smartphones of 2026. So the big question is this the best mid-range phone you can buy right now? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. Nothing is known for making phones that look different, and the Phone 4a Pro continues that philosophy. This year, Nothing switched to a sleek metal unibody design, making the phone feel much more premium compared to previous models. On the back, you'll notice something unique called the Glyph Matrix. This is basically a smart lighting system made up of dozens of tiny LEDs that can show notifications, timers, and even visual alerts when you receive calls. It's not just cool looking, it's actually useful. The phone also feels solid in hand, with a thin body around 7.9 millimeters and a weight of about 210 grams, giving it a premium feel. Next, let's talk about the display. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro comes with a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels. But the real highlight here is the 144 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly smooth. The display also supports HDR10+ and can reach an insane 5,000 nits peak brightness, making it extremely visible even under bright sunlight. Honestly, for a mid-range phone, this display is seriously impressive. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, built on a 4-nanometer architecture. This chip is designed for strong everyday performance, gaming, and multitasking. You can get the phone with 8 GB of RAM or 12 GB of RAM, and storage options up to 256 GB UFS 3.1, which means fast app loading and smooth system performance. For most people, this phone is more than powerful enough. Now let's talk about the camera. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro has a 3-camera system. You get a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. And this phone even supports up to 140x ultra zoom, which is pretty crazy for a mid-range device. On the front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera. For video, the phone can record 4K video at 30 FPS, making it great for content creators. Battery life is another strong point. The phone packs a 5,080 milliamp battery, which easily lasts a full day of use. It also supports 50-watt fast charging, allowing the phone to charge around 50% in just 22 minutes. So even if you forget to charge overnight, a quick top-up will get you through the day. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro runs Nothing OS 4.1 based on Android 16. The software is clean, fast, and minimalistic. There's almost no unnecessary bloatware, and the interface feels smooth and modern. Nothing also includes several AI tools and smart features designed to improve productivity and daily usage. And the company promises years of security updates, which is great for long-term users. So, is the Nothing Phone 4a Pro worth it? For around $499, you get a unique futuristic design, a smooth 144 Hz AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon performance, a versatile triple camera system, a big battery with fast charging. And honestly, that's a pretty amazing package. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro might not be perfect, but it's definitely one of the most exciting mid-range phones of 2026. And if you want something that stands out from the crowd, this phone might be exactly what you're looking for. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.